Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Our presidential candidate is with me. We have to see you tomorrow and prepare ground for us. We are coming to the Island. I was not even in the house by then. I said, this is a short appointment. Anyway, I'm ready to welcome famous Peter B to my house. A presidential candidate that starts from scratch. Everybody know that there's no structure of Labour Party before. You join the Labour Party from the scratch and now put a party into the national level as we are talking. I monitor everything. Only we are reluctant to involve in this politics. I monitor everything. And I have a reason for that, Your Excellency. A lot of politicians have disappointed us. Even in my group, both OPC and other groups, not only OPC, we have an alliance of Southwest Securities stakeholder group that combine about 13 different organizations, which is different from OPC. I do tell them that I've lost confidence on Nigerian politician. And he always give us this very hot argument, especially in OPC, that everybody should calm down for us. And that was what led us to the situation that we haven't endorsed any presidential candidate. Because we don't want our group to lose focus. On losing focus on the basis of our ideology. You have said what we want on your speech. And there is an eloquent speech. Like it is. I realize that you know what you are doing. Speak with facts and figures. And my people can see that because it's good that they are here. And this kind of leader we want in Nigeria. Most of the things you said here, I've been reading it in the newspaper. But coming here to say it live, give me more confidence. All of our allies are with you. We have about 3 angles or 4 angles in Yoruba land. Mine is one of them. Unfortunately, most of the politicians don't know. I'm very happy does it. Papa have endorsed it. And we have some of our friends that support you. We have a lot of our youth that support you. But I was very careful to come into this politics because of my position as the area of the Kakampo of Yoruba. This is a position that has been in existence since 1587. And the position was established by Alaafin Ajaku, the king of Oyo Empire by then. And I happened to be the 15th that occupied the position. And let me tell you one thing, Your Excellency. Even the Yoruba, some of the Yoruba who did not know history, who did not know facts about the Yoruba history, did not even know how this position, how strategic this position is. I will tell you one of the problems that happened in Yoruba land and Nigeria that always centers on Nari Onakakanfo. Let me take it from the 18th century. The war that started, the 3D war, is a war that happened in Yoruba land for 16 years uninterrupted. And it started in 1870. The colonial masters, those white men that control Nigeria have never been by then, was not that have the power to settle the issue in 1886 in Imesile and Igbajo. And who is the center of that war? Is Nari Onakakanfo Arola Tosha, which is the 12th area of Kakanfo by then. In 1964, another area of Kakanfo was installed, which happened to be the premier of Western region. Chief Samuel Akitola. In 1966, the coup d'etat was held and it was clear. And when you kill Ariel Okada, you put the nation in trouble. And it was killed in January. And the center could not hold since then. Within January to 1967, there was a civil war. And all those who came in within 7 months, they have their own share of the killing.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.